Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this quick and easy Escovitch fish, Jamaican style. Stay tuned. Yeah man, so right now guys, we're gonna season our fish, alright? So for this recipe today, I'll be using Spanish mackerel. For Escovitch fish, you can use any type of fish you want. You can use snapper, salmon, any type of fish or any type of meat. You know, you can easily put it on your jerk pork or your chicken, fried chicken, or any type of meat, anything you want. All right, not just fish. So right now we're gonna season the fish. We're gonna add some fish seasoning to it and a little bit of salt. All right, just follow me real quick. All right, guys. So we're just gonna add our fish seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon of fish seasoning. All right, 1 tablespoon. And as you can see right here, guys, I have like 6 pieces of Spanish mackerel. It's already washed. You know, I cleaned it with some vinegar and lime. Yeah, man. I'm also gonna add my salt. This is 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. You don't have to use pink salt. If you have regular table salt, guys, that's perfectly fine. Some people season their fish with just salt and pepper. You know, that's fine as well, but for today's recipe, I'm doing it my way, using my preferred seasoning, all right? So once again, that's 1 tablespoon of fish seasoning and 1 teaspoon of salt. And once it's fully seasoned, guys, once it's fully combined, all the seasoning is nicely rubbed, then we're just gonna set this aside for a few minutes, get our skillet ready, get it nice and hot. We're gonna add 1 cup of oil to our skillet, turn it to about a high heat, just to get the pot hot, you know? Once it comes hot, then we're gonna turn it down to about a medium heat and start frying the fish, all right? As you can see, guys, I added some Scotch bonnet pepper and some garlic, just to add some flavor to the oil. You know, after a few minutes, I'm gonna remove the garlic, you know, because you don't want to add that burnt taste to the oil. All right, then you're gonna drop in the fish them. We're gonna fry the fish, guys, until they are nice and crispy, about 5 minutes per side. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and flip the fish down. Yeah man, so we're just gonna fry them, guys, for about 5 more minutes. Then we're gonna remove them from the grease, from the oil, drain off some of the oil here, and then we're gonna add in our veggies for the escovitch sauce. Alright guys, so you wanna remove the fish them from the oil. Place it on a paper towel just to soak up some of that oil, alright? Alright, so we're gonna get rid of some of this oil real quick, and then we're gonna add the veggies, you know, the carrots, the bell peppers, and a few other ingredients to the same pan right here. Alright? Alright, so as you can see, guys, I have some carrots, you know, some bell peppers, green and red bell peppers. I have some pimento berries, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some yellow onion. Alright, so we're just gonna drop this right in the pot. We're just gonna mix it up real quick for about 30 seconds, just to cook up the veggies a little bit and infuse some of that flavor from the fried fish earlier. Then we're gonna add in our vinegar, and then we're gonna add some brown sugar, guys. Add in your vinegar. about a half cup of vinegar. Alright, so we're gonna add in the brown sugar, guys. About 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, just to sweeten it up, balance out the flavor a little bit. Yes, guys, so you want to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the carrots are nice and soft, a little bit crunchy, then we'll remove it from the heat, pour it on top of the fish, and we are good to go. Stay tuned, guys. See you in a minute. Alright, so I'm just gonna add some of this Escovitch sauce topping. Just like that. We're not gonna overdo it. Keeping it simple. And like I said, guys, Escovitch sauce can be added to any, type of fish or meat or chicken. All right. This is so colorful, beautiful. Look at that, and we're gonna pour a little bit of the sauce right on top. Not too much. Ooh. Oh yeah. And there you have it, guys. This is Jamaican style Escovitch fried fish. Alright, so if you enjoy watching this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.